In this video, we are going to see how to hide the data in the Excel sheet. Say, first we do it for this particular cell. Say for G6, the value which we can see is 189. We want to hide it so that it should not be visible. So what we can do is first go to the Home tab. In the Home tab, in the number command group, we basically press this side arrow. In this, we go to custom, and in custom, in type, we basically type semicolon, minimum 2, click OK. As you can see, the data is not visible. It will be visible only and only if we select that particular cell. Now, what is the use of this thing? Say we are sending this sheet to somebody and we don't want to show the person directly these values, or we are sending this data to somebody with where we want to hide this in the print file, that is we are sending a PDF of this thing. So we can select this data, go to number, side arrow, go to the custom, and in custom we can type 2 semicolons. Okay, so you can see now the data is not visible directly. Now if we take a print of this particular thing, so we can go to page layout. In page layout, select print area, in that set print area. Since we have selected this as a print area, so this is the area which will get printed. For that, go to file, save as. I'm showing a PDF for this, and in that, say we select a PDF. Click save. Here you can see in the print, which is basically in the PDF file, that total cost cells which were hidden by us are not coming. In this way, we can hide the data in plain sight. I hope this tip was clear to you. Thank you.